Good evening, everyone. I hope everyone is safe and sound in this COVID-19 situation. I am here to present our manuscript title, Machine Learning Models Comparison for Bitcoin Price Prediction. I am MD Kausar Mahmood, my ID 2019-2054-013. Presenting in front of you and behalf of Arafat Hussain, Russell Ahmed, Fari Ahmed, Asaduzzaman, Zakir Hussain, Abu Bakr, Pranay Saha, Imon Khan, and Mr. Harizul. We all come from Bangladesh University. Bitcoin is the most valuable in the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrencies are a digital way of money in which all transactions are held electronically. It is a soft currency which does not exist in the form of hard notes physically. Here we analyze the most efficient and highest accuracy model to predict Bitcoin prices from various machine learning algorithms. Faria, please.
My name is Faria Ahmed. ID 011. Introduction. Bitcoin is a digital peer-to-peer cost system introduced by Nakamoto in 2008. It's a global cryptocurrency and online payment system that is highly stable and shows Bitcoin price production has been an active area to serious for a long time. Bitcoin as a pioneer within the blockchain monetary research want to place on overwhelming part in a entirety cryptocurrency market capitalization environment highs. It is the interval interest of machine learning and data managing community to be able to 1. Predict Bitcoin price change. 2. Grade experience to grade it what device the Bitcoin in the instably and why better assess related the danger in cryptocurrency domain. Bitcoin was the largest and most popular in cryptocurrency market measurable mark capitalization in March 2017. Bitcoin access occurs 72% of the total cryptocurrency in market and number of transactions were 2,86,490 in January February 2070, which are more than all over cryptocurrency too in 2007. The price of Bitcoin was at 1,000 USD and went up to 16,000 USD in December 2017. This marks Bitcoin's prices extremely difficult to predict. Another paper builds with daily time series data 10 minutes and 10 seconds time interval data. They have created three times shares data set of 30, 60 and 120 minutes followed by performing GLM random forest on the dataset which product three lines models. These Three models are yeah, three times models are linearly combined to protect the price of Bitcoin. In instead of directly predicting the future price of the stock, the another predict the trade of the stock. The trend can be considered as a pattern. They perform both short-term predictions by day or week prediction and also long-term predictions month. They found that the later product better result with 79% accuracy. Another interesting approach the paper replace is the performance evaluation created of the network based on the product output. The performance evaluation algorithm decrease to another buy and sell or hold the stock. Next.
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone. I hope everyone safe this pandemic situation and stay home. This is Asaduzzaman. I'm from CSC Department at Bangladesh University, 54 batch. Background work. This research uses two libraries, scikit-learn and Keras, for analyzing data in order to create machine learning methods. In this research, the transfer library is also used to generate data flow graphs. Skitlearn. Skitlearn is probably the most useful library for machine learning in Python. The Skitlearn library contains a lot of efficient tools for machine learning and statistical modeling, including classification, reunion, and clustering and functionally reduction. Castro is an end-to-end open source platform for machine learning. It has a comprehensive, flexible ecosystem for tools, libraries, and community resources that lets researchers push the state of the art in ML and developer easy build and deploy ML-powered applications. Was originally developed by researchers and engineers working on the Google Brain team within Google Machine Intelligence Research Organization to conduct machine learning and deep nature working research. The system is general enough to applicate in a wide variety of other domains as well. Also by slide. Also by
Yes.
slide. Keras. Keras is a deep learning API written in Python, learning on top of machine learning platform Transpo. It was developed with a focus on enabling fast experimentation. Being able to go from idea to result as fast as possible is key to doing Go research. Keras is the high-level API to Transpo. Second, approachable, highly productive interface for solving machine learning problems with a focus on modern deep learning. It provides exceptional abstraction and building blocks for developing and shipping machine learning solutions with high intuition velocity. Next. Next,
আরাফাত, স্টার্ট করো।
So, hello everybody, this is Arafat. My ID number is 005. Researches on the prediction of cryptocurrencies using machine learning are not much on, especially on deep learning models. Research of 2016, more than 600 papers have been published on the topic. Our literature survey covers work done on Bitcoin, price prediction using different techniques, the need and evolution of recurrent neural network and its system architecture. SHA at AI represent Bayesian regression algorithm for generating latent source model. The Bitcoin exchange datasets are taken from Ocoin in China by collecting the data every 10 minutes to use in Bitcoin exchange. The result shows that in 50 days ROI is 89% with the Sharpe ratio at 4.10. Madan at AI are also used the datasets for Ocoin, but separating the data into series of 30, 60 and 120 minutes. Binomial logistic regression support vector machine (SVM) and random forest are used to predict Bitcoin's prices with the accuracy at 97% and 55% for the next 10 minutes prices. Graphs at AI purpose transaction graph data to predict the Bitcoin's prices by collecting Bitcoin transaction. This research user linear regression. Logistic regression (SVM) neural network generating models to predict the prices. The result of accuracy is only 55% since the exchange behavior which directly affects the prices is not included in the transaction. Therefore, this research recommends including the exchange behavior into the transaction to increase the accuracy. Thank you.
প্রণয়, স্টার্ট করো।
Assalamu alaikum. This is Pranay Shaha. Hope you are well, everyone. Member of Group 1. My ID last three digit 017. Thank you, our honorable teacher, for give me a chance. Here I will go. Now I will explain machine learning models comparison for Bitcoin price prediction about methodology. A data collecting. To start with the Bitcoin value history, which is separated from the coin market cap through its open API. Furthermore, information from blockchain is accumulated. We thought that it was irrational to have some blockchain information given the unaiding selling issue. On the other hand, the quantity of records by definition is connected to the cost developments since an ex- expansion in the number of records either implies more exchanges occurring or it is an indication of the number of records either implies more exchanges occurring or it is an indication of more clients joining the system. Thirdly, for the conclusion information we acquire the word Bitcoin utilizing PyPredict by PyTrends library. Feature selection. Features of the data asset from a areas follows. Features: close latest trade, opening trade, high highest trade during day, lowest lowest trade during day, weighted price, mean Bitcoin price, volume BTC, total trade volume of day in BTC, volume currency, total trade volume of day in USD, time stamped data recorded time. Okay, next.
হারিজুল, স্টার্ট করো।
No, Assalamu alaikum. This is Harizul Islam. My ID is 42. Now I am explain the part of methodology. Um, in this research, the skate-learn library is used to create models with only features close, open, high, and low, when the weighted price is to predict from 1 minute interval trading exchange data in 3 on 6 on 057 rows. We adjust them into 2 on 95 rows of on-day interval trading exchange data instead. Next, we divide them into a training set and a test set with the ratio of 70:30. Hence, the final training set is 1756 and the test set is 439. From the above features, we calculated the correlation coefficient of all features and visualized graph in figure 2 and 3. From the graphs, all features are highly correlated. Therefore, we will create models with all features. C. Data preparation. Minimum, mean, max scalar is to adjust data into 0 to 1 by using mean and max of the data. Changing from 2 dimensions to 3 dimensions by adding time dimensions is to be able to use the obtained data for LSTM and GRU modeling. Next, D. Modeling. As the Bitcoin price are sequential in nature, so we have implemented and compared machine learning models like Bayesian regressor, multivariate linear regression, and Hoover regression. And for this purpose, Scikit library was used, and deep learning models like long short-term memory, gated recurrent unit. And for this purpose, we have used Kear's library. Bayesian regression. It is a non-parametric statistical method that tries to fit a best fit line in a two-dimensional graph in such a way that the slope of the best fit line will be equal to the median of the slopes of all lines possible through pairs of data points. It is strong against outliers because it can allow 29.3% outliers. That's all from my side. Thank you. Next.
রাসেল, স্টার্ট করো।
My name is Nasser Ahmed, student IT 008. I am sharing our regression. It is a statistical regression that technique that is robust outlier to distinguish between the others and inlets. it uses a linear loss function rather than the least square function, and linear weights is greater than outer is weight 80. Long short than memory. It is a type of artificial recurrent neural network 6 that has feedback connection, input get, output get, forget get 6, and a cell together makes a LSTM unit. LSTMs we are designed to overcome the vanishing gradient problem of traditional RNNS8. The advantages of using a rolling window. Rolling window LSTM is that it is recognize the sequential feature in the time serial data that remains united by other algorithm for. The equation of LSTM are FT was WPX plus UPFX on plus BX. ITOZ YX plus UIST plus BI. OTOZ WPXT UAST minus 1 plus BO. FTOCT minus ITO WCX at WCUT minus 1 plus BC. ST00TCT, where the values of CO and SO are equal to 0 and operator is called Adam product, and in the subscript denotes the time step. Okay.
আবু বকর স্টার্ট করো।
I am. My ID is 016. Now we are discuss about the machine learning models comparison of Bitcoin price pandemic. Now I am representing the slide of the slide of 11. Thank you, my friends. And it is a very difficult situation in COVID-19. So be careful about that. Let's start. Is a statistical regression technical. Okay. Hello.
Yes. Continue, please.
Okay, thank you. Okay. I'm not sure about why Indicops are changing the slide. Okay, thank you, Kausar. Now we are equation of GRU. Now we are representing the equation of GRU. This is the formula of GRU. Here is GLT equal to the OG WZXT plus UZ is 100. This all the formula of the calculation. There is some variable that was X. T means input vector. Input vector, AST means output vector, GT means update get vector, and RT means reset get vector. Now we can explain the W, and B parameters, materials, and vector. E.IoT implementation. Wi-Fi module that can be a Unix number is ESP Ashram, my other friend, Lindi Zakirul Islam. Yes, you can discuss about the result section. Thank you, sir, for giving me a chance to represent. Thank you all, and take care.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zakir Hussain. Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes. Please continue.
My roll number is 015. I'm a member of first group. Now I am explaining the result of cryptocurrency. There are two of most common metrics used to measure accuracy for continuous variable: mean square error MAC and R square R2. Table 1 shows the MAC and R2 of all our implemented model, while table 2 shows the calculated time of all our implemented model. The result showed that deep learning based regression model GRU and LSTM gives the better result than Bayesian regression and Hubbard regression. GRU give the best result of MSC at 0.0002 and R2 at 0.992 or 992.2%, whereas the calculated time that Hubbard regression use is much less than LSTM and GRU. Here is two table to below. Sir, I read the table and table content.
Hello.
What I need to read the table content?
Not necessarily.
Okay. Here is the result of cryptocurrency. Thanks everyone. Stay home, stay safe. Please below section start. Anyone?
Hello. I'm coming again, and I'm talking about conclusion. Bitcoin is the most popular decentralized way of virtual currency, which has a great role in the free market economy and avoids the intermediary of another third party between customers. The main objective of our study is prove that GRU shows the best accuracy but takes calculated time and more than Hubbard regression. This is some key of reference of our presentation. Thank you. Thank you everyone.